Welcome to the Eagles, where this home has it all. 4 bedrooms, an office, a pool, and we're on the golf course.
Hi, I'm Grant Gaitis, and this is Ashley Gaitis with the Gaitis Home Team. Come on in and check it out.
Let's go. Thank you so much for taking the time to tour our new listing.
Our 3 favorite things about our newest listing is that it's updated, move-in ready, it has a wonderful pool, and it sits on one of the best lots here in the community.
Find your dream with the Gaitis team.